going nowhere. Look at this shit.
Yeah.
Lock them up. Yeah,
What do I do to you?
Oh, you know what?
What do I do
You're
to
a
you?
Stupid ass.
What do I do to you? I do nothing to you.
What are you doing out here?
I do nothing to you.
All right, Paul. Right here. Oh yeah. Look at this shit. She's taking my picture.
You take me picture too. She took my picture too.
But look at
Okay? She took my picture
this.
too.
Pulling out now. Look, considering plates.
That's my property.
I bet.
That's my property.
I don't give a
I come and see my property.
It's against the law to take water from here to any place else.
What? I did not take any water.
What are you
I did not.
doing?
It's empty bag. Somewhere I use in my property. It's empty bag. Empty bag.
With the jobs.
I just come and look at my. Are you policeman? No,
Look at the plates.
I did not do anything. I come to my property only.
No.
Okay? I come to see my property only. This is my property.
You're a liar.
That's my property.
You're a liar.
My daughter's property.
Wrong neighbor. Wrong neighbor.
That's my property. I pay tax for it.
What's gonna happen?
You know? Why are you looking there, brother? My property is right here. You're such a rich lady.
No, you haven't seen
You're such a rich lady. Such are your property. Is it your property? This is your property? You bought it? Sure.
better sell your property. Okay, well,
It's empty. I use for my water in somewhere. It's not, and that's my property too. What do I do to her? I do
You
nothing.
know it's against the law to transport water.
No, I did not take her water.
No, you can not take water from one place to another.
No, it's not. I did not.
No, but if you do, it's illegal.
I know it's not. It's against that. I use my water for me only.
What are the tanks for?
It's for me, for myself.
So where are you getting the water from?
My water is out. My well's over there. I did not get any water now. Just in there. Okay?
You've got water in those tanks?
No. You want to look?
I'll take your word for it.
There's no water. Why you say that?
But you cannot take water from one place to another.
I did not buy any water from anybody else.
Oh, you're not.
Okay?
If you have another piece of property where you fill those tanks and you take those
No,
tanks
I did not do that. Against the law. There's a lawsuit in
what do you use
Cisco
those
County.
tanks for?
No, that's my business. You don't want to know.
What are you using the tanks
I use for anything, but you don't need to know. You are not. I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, well, we'll just give this to the district attorney.
Yeah, you take a picture of me. I take a picture of you too, honey. I don't do anything.
Picture goes to the district attorney.
Yeah, but I did not do anything to you. So I did not make anything for you guys.
People's wells going dry here because you're getting your marijuana plant.
No, you're wrong, honey.
Okay.
You're wrong. You're so discriminated. You do discriminate, and you are against our people. You know. So I use my water. I don't do anything, and you just come to my property and yelling at me. That's not right. That's not how life is. And this guy, he come and I did not buy any water from anybody. So this guy had this truck here, and he come and he and the lady is yelling at me, and that guy and he is yelling at me. That they say, you know, I have a tank in my truck, and they say it's not right? So discriminated. We did not do anything. Just come to my property, okay? So this guy is taking a picture of my car. You know, he took a picture of me, but I take a picture of them too. He said he'll put me file a lawyer and sue me. That's not right. It's so discriminating. Okay? It is discriminating. In this world, human beings, they cannot treat me like this. I cannot put this in Facebook or internet. I have nothing wrong. I say my property, and he just come and yelling at me, and he took a lot of my picture, taking a picture too. I have nothing to do with those people. You know, we are human beings, and they treat us like an animal. That's not right. He said he's gonna sue me. I called already, you know, but
ai bỏ nó mua có bỏ nó nửa trái tự lon chỉ hơi không hợp lý lon để che ha nửa hai à
no.
nửa chẳng mất lúc chết thay ha.
Yeah, it's okay. We don't care. This is a Hmong property, and this is my property. So we have proof. Okay. So don't be so scary. Those people just discriminating us, you know, and they just want to do bad thing about us. He said he's going to sue me in the sue me, but just wait to see why he gonna sue me. That's not good people, you know. That's what they just want to do, like if try, but that's not good. Goodbye, Usma. Goodbye, not the goodbye, goodbye, Usma. Who cares? Lekin dah tahu mah. Lekin dah tahu lagi mah. Mungkin dah kuru ada cewek dah mah. Mama, pasal tahu mana kau okay? Just go. Who cares? We are human beings. We do nothing. Okay?